Hey guys, Attorney Scott Harper, the Southern Lawyer on Instagram. Coming to you today, wanted to talk a little bit about small claims court. Don't know if you've ever been. If you haven't, I don't recommend going. It's not that great. But if you do need to go, this video is about why you should take an attorney with you, okay? The reality is that small claims court is really designed for anything where damages are less than $2,500, okay? And a lot of people think, I'll just file a simple form because they'll give it to you, and I'll go to small claims, I'll tell the judge my case, and I'll win, okay? That's what a lot of people think. The other people say, I'm gonna tell my story and I'm just gonna defend myself and I'm gonna win. They both think they're gonna win. One of them is usually wrong. And in fact, oddly enough, usually both of them are wrong because the judge will do something equitable, and so they're both kind of walk away unhappy, okay? But I highly recommend you can actually take an attorney with you when you go to small claims. And the reason that I think it would be beneficial is because maybe it costs you a little bit of money to try and recover that $2,500. But the reality is that if you take one, you're more likely to get the full amount than you would be if you didn't. And so in the end, while it does cost you a little bit, you actually end up getting more by taking an attorney with you. And the reason why is because for the most part, small claims is kind of the Wild West when it comes to evidence, submitting evidence in terms of civil procedure, in terms of case law, and really argument. It's kind of a lot about, well, he said, she said, and what does the judge think is most equitable. But when you take a lawyer there, the judge is kind of forced to have to look at it from a more of a legal perspective, okay? And you can put more legal arguments in there. You can argue evidence, you can argue case law. And the judge actually has to take that into account. If the other side doesn't bring an attorney, they have no idea what's going on. And a lot of times, by hiring an attorney and having them go with you, you end up with a much favorable result. A more favorable result is what can happen. So if you ever have to go to small claims court, I highly recommend calling me, calling any attorney really, and having them go with you because they can walk you through the process and you're more likely to walk away with a result that you're happy with. Attorney Scott Harper, thanks for checking it out.